How to delete objects in Yoshion Collage. If you place something on the Yoshion, only to realize that it doesn't quite fit. Don't worry, it's super easy to fix. Let me show you how to delete the objects you no longer want. First things first, obviously you have to open the Yoshion app. I'm already inside it and I have already drafted my collage right over here. You can see it on my screen. So I'm in the middle of making the collage. I'm just showing the process to delete the objects. This may be helpful for you when you want to delete the objects when you are making something like collage or you are editing the photo in the Yoshion app. I'm just showing you the process. Here you can see 3 emojis and text right over here. To delete the objects, what you have to do is simply tap on the object that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this emoji right over here. After you tap on it, you can see several options on it. There's an option for the flip-flop, there's an option to adjust, and there's an option to cross. So what we need right now in order to delete the object in your Yoshion app is this cross right over here. Simply tap on it and your emoji is done. Tap on the objects, tap on the cross, it's gone. Tap on the objects, tap on the cross, it's gone. So that's the process of deleting the objects in your Yoshion app. Wasn't that simple? Now you can freely experiment with the different layouts, elements in the Yoshion collages without any worries because you can delete the objects as you like. As I select it, just select it and tap that cross right over there. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.